Hello, good morning and welcome. It's just coming up to 8 o'clock on the 21st of September and just a quick look at a few pairs. We'll start with the Australian dollar. We've moved very nicely below the 80. We've come off the highs. We had a bit of a spring up yesterday. We've come back down. This has actually broken the trend line on the candle chart and we are just coming below the 50 on the RSI. Hopefully this will break and fall lower during the week. It really is overbought, so we'll be watching that and see how that goes on. Pound USD, bit of strength yesterday in the dollar, with the news that they're going to start easing a stopping the easing a little bit and adjusting the balance sheet. So I got knocked out of my position on this yesterday. Such is life. But we're just coming up to the 69.1 on the RSI, and I am expecting this to turn back down. So at some stage I will be getting short of this again. USD, Canadian dollar. Quite honestly, we didn't see a lot of action on that yesterday. I am expecting the dollar now to strengthen. We've started to drop some of the easing and adjusting the balance sheet. We're just coming up to the 50 on the RSI, and I'm expecting to see a bit more strength in this pair. Euro USD, again, of strengthening the dollar. We came down nicely. I did get a couple of trades in at the top, so I'm quite pleased about that. We are just above the 50 on the RSI, and hopefully that should break down lower over the next couple of days. And USD, Japanese yen, well, that's gone up nicely for us, so this is giving us a lot of potential on this pair. I've got my trend line up against the RSI, so I want that to come up and break and come back down and cut the trend line. But we'll be keeping an eye on that. The commercials, they actually went soft on the long position that they're holding on these. So I'm not surprised we're seeing a bit of strength. I got out of my trade here at the 109. So there you go. As ever, what you would expect, silver, strengthen the dollar, the price of silver's come down. So we're well below the 50 on the RSI now. In fact, I could actually put a trend line down there. We'll just follow that down, and yeah, that'll be a really nice trade. I think that's going to come down to these recent lows. So I'm looking for it to come down to about 15. Might even travel on a little bit from there. So that should be a nice trade down. Oil. Oil's gone above the resistance, so that's now support. Little bit surprised, but it does give an opportunity. I would sell this back down through the 50. So you know, I can move my trend line over a little bit. It looks like it's breaking down now, but I'd sell that back down through the 50. So you know, we'll see how high it can go. Pound Canadian dollar, again, we've got strength on the pound and a little bit of weakness on the Canadian dollar, and we've moved up nicely. Got one of the trades now in profit. I'll just put my stop in there. There you go. Lovely. Okay, well, right, that's it for today, and hopefully see you all again tomorrow. I'm having great difficulty uploading these videos. Totally embarrassing, but I'll do my best. Thank you. Cheers now.